Pennsylvania, I-81, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. This is February 24th, 2026 at 5:24 in the morning. I-81 northbound, Carlisle. Speed limit's 55. I'm doing 57, about 2.5, 3 seconds behind a work truck in front of me. And as you can see, I've been passed in the left lane. I'm maintaining right lane, maintaining distance, maintaining speed, 57, 56 miles an hour. And boom, there, I just got passed on the shoulder. I'm doing 55. He must be doing probably 75 on the shoulder. And that work truck turned his lights on, trying to scare the guy or girl, whoever. Do not be somebody to do this. Y'all have a great one. Thumb up the video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Here, I will slow the speed down so you can see how fast he's going. This is 25% speed. Look at all the salt and dirt and all he was kicking up. He didn't use his turn signal, though. That's a good thing, I guess. Didn't use the turn signal.